Hai guys, apa kabar? Kembali lagi bersama saya, It's Dr. Sim, aka Cyclops Grey. Namaste. Apa kabar, bro and sis? Ya, berbicara tentang fragrance and perfumes. There's so many notes in this world. Ada yang clean and fresh, sweet and sexy, bold and loud, gourmand, and macam-macam lagi sekarang. Nah, tapi dari berbagai kategori tersebut, as a fragrance enthusiast, at the last 2 years, saya mulai belajar banyak sniff and mengkolek beberapa parfum-parfum lokal buatan anak bangsa Indonesia yang tidak kalah ternyata dengan parfum-parfum desainer maupun niche. Bahkan ada parfum-parfum lokal yang kualitasnya hampir menyamai niche perfume buatan France, Spain, Italy, dan lain sebagainya. So, there's one category, tapi saya tidak tahu ini apakah kategori yang jamak dalam dunia fragrance, but at least in my notes, I have one classified that I give the name as a mysterious or maybe like mystic notes. Jadi notes ini adalah notes yang menurut saya ketika orang memakainya, if we wear it, you will feel like very mysterious, like not James Bond even, but maybe like a bit some if that from the dark world, some maybe say it's came for the like maybe you will feel like the ancient warrior or the ancient king or panglima warlord zaman dulu, or ada mistik di situ seperti legenda-legenda raja-raja kuno yang jago dan pahlawan-pahlawan mitologi Yunani, Rome, Indonesia yang menurut if you spray this one, I believe I personally very love it. Without further ado, I have 3 best menurut in my opinion as a fragrance enthusiast, and one honorable mention, but we call it 3 in 1, 3 plus 1 for this mysterious and maybe mystic notes. We call it the honorable mention one. It's Petruk. Petruk is new, one of the latest fragrance that released by Project 1945. This one is a very leathery fragrance, but the unique one is they also have a lemon, fresh vibes at the opening, and dibalut dengan kapulaga and cardamom yang hangat dan nuansa lavender and also vetiver dan cedar membuat Petruk ini sedikit misterius menurut saya. I'm not really knows about the character of the Petruk like seperti yang saya dapat dalam product knowledge-nya, but if I'm not mistaken, Petruk is described ketekunan dan kegigihan. So to spray this one make me feel like I'm an ancient warrior. Zaman Purnakawan dulu dan satu hal yang aristokrat dengan Petruk ini. So Petruk, the honorable mention for this mysterious and mystic notes in my list. So what is number 3? Number 3, Pucuk Malam from House of Dapers. This one. This one is also one of the latest released by the House of Dapers. This one is a black tea. Black tea yang begitu tebal di opening sampai ke even ke dry down-nya, dibalut dengan dengan cedar dengan rosemary dan vetiver dan musk and patchouli, membuat pucuk malam ini when you wear it, you will feel like a very mature, matang dan berkarisma. And the black tea itself membuat parfum ini mempunyai karakter yang lebih misterius, very something's like the Dark Knight. You know Batman? I think Batman. Maybe you wear this one. Pucuk Malam. One of my favorite also. One of the latest release from the House of Vapors. This one is very mysterious, and my opponents. Number 3, House of Vapor. Number 2, Malayali from Sav & Co. Malayali. Malayali, it's, I believe, created by the nature and the rich nature of the Sulawesi, with the very big hints of patchouli of Sulawesi. And if I'm not mistaken, dia punya satu notes yang what they call it, Tree of Life, if I'm not mistaken. And ini Malayali ini dibuka dengan nuansa yang very clovey, ada rasa rempah, spicy, mint dan cengkehnya, dan dibalut dengan nuansa tadi apa namanya patchouli dan vetiver yang begitu tebal. Malayali is, when you wear this one, you will like back to the old of the Sulawesi in the Tanah Toraja, ketika para bangsawan zaman dulu memerintah di istana yang megah dengan dekorasi yang begitu sophisticated, perca-perca dan tekstil yang begitu rich, kaya dengan kekayaan alam dan nature of the Sulawesi, or at the time they call it Kingdom of Celebes. So this is Malayali, the number 2 on my list from Sav & Co. That is membuat Anda terkesan mystic, man, terkesan glory, terkesan mysterious, the Malayali, like bangsawan zaman dulu. Number 1, last but not least, the Myth from Moon. Myth, the mythology. Myth, it's like you go back to the ancient history, ancient situations, and when you meet the daunan, reruntuhan candi, istana-istana tua, dengan ukiran-ukiran yang begitu mempesona, dan ada emas, ada permata, ada yang masih tertanam di dalam bumi kita. Dan mungkin kalau ada brother and sister yang pernah nonton film The Myth by Jackie Chan, yang very legends, like maybe like if I'm not mistaken, like 7-8 years ago, and soon they will have a sequel called the prequel called The Legend, also by Jackie Chan. Myth ini benar-benar seperti itu. Saya pribadi wear this one, I feel like I might became a warrior, a Jackie Chan warrior, lower warlords of the Qing dynasty that coming from one of the very ancient and glory places. Dan nuansa bebatuan basah, rerumputan, dan tanah hijau seperti habis hujan, dan wangi yang begitu indah ketika Anda bangun pagi di pegunungan yang maybe you cannot feel this one anymore if you are living in the a big city right now. So the myth will really bring it you back to the old memories of your life. And this one is also very good on the skin. On my skin could be more than 8 hours plus. And but anyway, this all include Petruk, Pucuk Malam, Malayali, and the myth. This one all very good longevity. Stain on the skin and stain even on the t-shirt or jacket. Woo. 12 hours plus, maybe 2 or 3 days. If I put in the laundry basket, even at the second or third days when I send it to the laundry, they will feel like, Mamma mia. That's it. The 3+1, the mysterious and mystic notes according to Cyclops Grey. Maybe you have another list. Please put in a comment column. We share each other. I want to learn more. I want to sniff more and explore more. That's it. Hope you like my video. Keep growing and smells good together.